Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great SUV in our collection. A pre-owned 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450. This Mercedes-Benz is powered by all-wheel drive, 3.0-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 43,335 miles. Experience luxury and performance with this stunning 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450. Impeccable style, advanced technology, and spacious comfort await you. Elevate your drive today, don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Schedule a test drive now. This pre-owned GLS 450 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, remote start, keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, air suspension, push-button start, alloy wheels, climate control, power tailgate, third-row seating, seat position memory. To keep you entertained, this Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 is equipped with Bluetooth, navigation, smart device integration. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, tire pressure monitoring system, backup camera, ABS brakes, lane keep system, park assist, active safety system, daytime running light. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.